This is the $300 million yacht, and it has over 50 crew members waiting on your every request. Tons of luxurious rooms and 9 master bedrooms. Oh my gosh.
Welcome aboard.
I literally can't see the top of the boat from here.
We are the 69th largest yacht in the world.
Is that a factual statement?
Yes, it is.
That is crazy. There are 6 floors, a massive pool, and a hot tub with a view. This is nice.
This is ridiculous.
This is my favorite boat so far. The $300 million yacht comes with a state-of-the-art gym that overlooks the ocean.
What? Dude, if my boat had a gym, I'd work out.
A movie theater with windows that auto-darken whenever you watch something. And even the table is worth $3 million. And the piano plays itself. I want one of these in my house.